In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay an NYC ticket before the deadline and avoid a late fee. If you've received a New York City parking ticket or camera ticket, the most important thing is to handle it as soon as possible so you don't end up paying extra. The easiest way to do that is through the official NYC payment system online. Start by going to the official NYC CityPay ticket portal. If you want to review the rules first, you can also visit the NYC Parking and Camera Tickets Guide on the city's website. Make sure you're using the official NYC site so your payment is processed correctly and securely. Once you're on the payment page, you'll need to enter your ticket information. The fastest option is to type in the 10-digit violation number exactly as it appears on the ticket. Be careful here, because even one wrong digit can bring up the wrong record or no record at all. If you don't have the physical ticket with you, that's okay. You can usually search using your license plate number instead, along with the issuing state and the vehicle type, such as passenger or commercial. This is helpful if the ticket was misplaced or if you're checking on a vehicle registered in your name. After the system finds your ticket, review the details carefully before moving on. This is a good time to confirm that the violation information matches your vehicle and that you're paying the correct amount before the deadline. Next, choose your payment method. If you want to avoid extra processing costs, electronic check, also called e-check, is the best option because it does not have a service fee. If you prefer to pay with a credit card, debit card, PayPal, or Venmo, those options are also available, but they come with a 2% processing fee. So if keeping costs down is your priority, e-check is the most economical choice. When you select your payment method, follow the prompts on the screen and enter your payment details carefully. Before submitting, take a moment to review everything one last time. This can help you avoid errors that might delay the transaction, especially when you're close to the deadline. Once the payment goes through, make sure you save your confirmation. A screenshot, confirmation number, or emailed receipt can be very useful if you ever need proof that you paid on time. That's all it takes. Use the official NYC portal, enter your ticket details, choose your payment method, and complete the payment before the deadline to avoid any late fees.